Baby Sarah snores when she's very tired. Listen. And she suckles too. She's so sweet.